In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Incognito mode in Google Chrome. Incognito mode is a handy browsing feature that allows you to surf the web without saving your browsing history, cookies, site data, or any information entered in forms on your device once you close the session. It can be particularly useful when you want to keep your search activities private or if you're using a shared or public computer. Let's dive into how you can easily enable this mode on Google Chrome. First, make sure that you've opened your Google Chrome browser on your device. Now, look up to the top right corner of the screen, and you should see 3 vertical dots. This is where you'll find the Customize and Control Google Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. You'll see several options here, but don't worry, navigating through them is easy. Now, from this drop-down, look for and hover over the option that says New Incognito Window. You can also see this option is accompanied by an icon of a hat and glasses, which is a neat visual indicator of going incognito. Once you click on New Incognito Window, a new browser window will open, and you'll notice the background turn darker, usually accompanied by a brief message that you've gone incognito. Voila! You're now browsing in incognito mode. While you're in this mode, remember that even though Chrome won't save your browsing history or cookies, your activity might still be visible to websites you visit, including advertisers and internet service providers. Here's a quick tip. For faster access to incognito mode, you can simply use the keyboard shortcut. On a Windows or Linux computer, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N, and on a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N. Once you get into the habit of using this shortcut, enabling incognito mode will become second nature. That's all there is to it. Whether you're doing research for a surprise gift, logging into another person's account, or just want a bit of privacy, incognito mode is at your service. To exit incognito mode, simply close the window like you would any other. It's as easy as that. If you're on a mission to switch back to your regular browsing experience, you can easily navigate between windows. And there you have it. You've now learned how to enable and use incognito mode in Google Chrome. Make good use of its features, and remember, while it offers more privacy, it doesn't make you invisible online. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.